Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're heading straight into a galaxy far, far away with one of the coolest new LEGO Star Wars sets out right now, the LEGO Star Wars Rebel U-Wing Starfighter building set, featuring Cassian Andor, Dedra Meero, and everyone's favorite droid, K2SO. Before we blast off, make sure to check the link in the description below to grab this set before it sells out. It's already a fan favorite. Rocket emoji, first impressions. This set looks absolutely epic right out of the box. With over 600 pieces, you're getting a solid, display-worthy ship with awesome playability. The U-Wing Starfighter design is super accurate to its Andor and Rogue One appearances, with foldable wings, spring-loaded shooters, and detailed interiors that'll make any Star Wars fan geek out. Brick emoji, the build experience. The build process is super satisfying. LEGO did a fantastic job making it fun and complex without being overwhelming. It's perfect for kids 10+, but also a blast for adults who want to display this in their Star Wars collection. The wing mechanism, cockpit detail, and underside landing gear are all surprisingly robust. LEGO's engineering really shines here. Mechanical arm emoji, minifigures, the real stars. Let's talk about the minifigures. You're getting 3 iconic characters from the Andor series. Cassian Andor with a blaster and tactical gear. Dedra Meero, an ISB officer and fresh addition to LEGO form. K2SO, the sarcastic reprogrammed Imperial droid we all love. These figs are exclusive to this set, with updated prints and excellent attention to detail, making them highly collectible. Video game emoji, playability and display. The U-Wing features adjustable wings that flip between flight and landing mode, opening side doors, and a roomy cargo bay. Whether you're staging missions or just displaying it on your shelf, this set delivers. Present emoji, perfect gift alert. If you're shopping for a birthday, holiday, or a surprise for a Star Wars-obsessed kid or adult, this set is an instant win. It blends playability, collectability, and display value all in one awesome package. Thumbs up emoji, pros. Highly detailed U-Wing build with working features. Exclusive Cassian, Dedra Meero, and K2SO minifigs. Great balance of display and play value. Perfect for Andor fans and Star Wars collectors. Ages 10+ but fun for adult fans too. Thumbs down emoji, cons. Wings can be a little fragile during play. Would have loved more side characters or a mini enemy build. Bullseye emoji, final verdict. Whether you're a fan of Andor, a lifelong Star Wars collector, or just someone who loves a satisfying LEGO build, the Rebel U-Wing Starfighter set is an excellent pickup. It's fun, functional, and full of nostalgic plus new era vibes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more LEGO reviews, Star Wars builds, and collectible unboxings. And don't forget, the best deal for this set is linked down below. May the Force be with you, builders.